Businesses know that they must transform or be obsolete. Going online, it's a necessity, it's not an option.
Hello, Tom. I know about your success, about your YouTube channel. I am sure that you are going to be expanding and growing more and more. Saludos, Tomás.
Well, we talked to a lot of customers over the last couple of years. We talked to customers big and small, from SMEs to manufacturers. And they all have similar problems. And the biggest one is, where do they start? Because after 2 years of pandemic, businesses know that they must transform or be obsolete. We have a lot of customers that come to us. They're not getting results from, a very expensive website they built through another company. And then they talk to us and then they go, wow, you can actually do all of that for only a little bit of money. I often get this question, like, why is GoSell so cheap? Yeah, because we can do so much. But to be fair, the very first step is to look for experts. When we don't know how to do something, look for experts. Look for people that have done it before. Look for companies that have done this many, many times over. Look for companies that have implemented solutions and that are successful. We want to learn from people that are successful rather than people that have never done it. GoSell is the perfect tool to build your full spectrum online, offline e-commerce solution. Regardless of any company, if you buy the product, it's not good enough. It's not enough. Building an online and offline business, digitizing your business requires time, effort, energy. It doesn't just magically happen overnight. For example, building an affiliate program, you need the right software, the right tools, you need to do the right marketing, you need to attract the right affiliates. You need to be able to calculate commission that you pay out to affiliates whenever they help you close a customer. So we have all the software tools to help you do that, but you have to learn how to use them. So every aspect of e-commerce, call center, POS, CRM, membership program, all aspects of e-commerce have strategies, best practices that businesses should employ to get results. So the difficulties are where to start and work with an expert and use the right tools, but you also need to employ the right strategies, and we're here to teach you that. So with GoSell, our service team will call our customers, our partners, we'll call them every week and teach them something new. Because we know software by itself doesn't do anything. It's the combination of tool and strategy. And if we truly want our customers to be successful, to scale their business, we have to be with them. We have to be by their side. We have to give them new strategies, new ideas every week. That's what you get when you work with GoSell, and you should demand the same from any partner that you work with. Speaking of the advantages of digitally transforming your business, I think it's clear. That's why we're in this meeting, because we understand the advantages. Especially after 2 years of pandemic, going online is a necessity. It's a necessity, it's not an option. It's also the fastest way to scale your business, because you can go from a local business to a national business with very little effort. Every week we do a lot of training, we do a lot of workshop with customers. Because in order to get the advantage, in order to scale your business, there's still a lot of details that we need to implement well. So we do these workshops to work with customers and to fine-tune their implementation so that they get the result that they deserve.